us.
They should be able to hear us. Now you're going to have to project, Miriam.
My foot.
Okay, so, hi Jerome. How's it
Hello.
going?
It's going okay. Oh, you know what?
What?
Chris' birthday is the day after mine.
That's right.
Twinners.
Well, Geminis. What's that?
Gemini.
Represent.
So it's 4 people sitting right here.
That's right. 4 people.
Really,
So,
people here.
Miriam and I normally, if you probably don't know this, now Lisa knows this because she does it, but we typically do a live stream every morning. But tomorrow we are going to be on a plane on our way to Los Angeles when this live stream is supposed to go up. So we're recording it right now and we're going to put it up. So we have 2 guests here with us tonight. So we've got Jerome. Jerome, where are you from?
I'm originally from Richmond, Virginia, but now I reside in Atlanta, Georgia, near the airport.
Okay. Wait, you're from Atlanta too?
Originally, I'm from Indiana, but I lived on the outskirts of Atlanta.
I did not know that.
Years.
That's where all the cool
And then you took all my what?
Anyway, well, that's cool. I actually didn't know where either of you lived, so I'm glad to know that. So, when are you guys flying back out?
Sunday.
Sunday, okay. Well, they told us that it was finishing on Saturday, so I booked my plane tickets on Saturday.
Yeah.
Whatever. So, we just had a great day. So, it was our last day here. Let's see. Let's talk about what we did today. We got here. We did breakfast. I actually got to
Some
cook.
of you did.
That's right. What were you doing for breakfast?
I was intermittent fasting.
Hey. Nice.
So, really quickly, while you're thinking of fasting, tell us how much medicine you took recently.
When I came here, I am on an insulin pump, and I was taking 3.5 units an hour at night, and I was taking 4.25 units during the day.
Oh, wow.
So far this week, I am down, and this is just blowing my mind, 1 unit an hour at night and 2.5 units during the day.
Wow.
Nice.
And I also was told by Dr. Mary,
Okay.
get rid of my water pill, get rid of my statin. My blood pressure was really low. It was like 121 over 59.
Okay.
So he took one of my metoprolol and broke it in half and said, now, you only need 1.5 pills altogether now.
Now, I wouldn't advise just randomly changing your dose.
No,
Yeah.
No.
This is under the direction of a medical doctor.
Yes.
So this is cool stuff.
So cool. 'Cause it's
Fewer
only been
medicine.
a week. It hasn't been a
Yes.
whole week yet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, it's just been a few days.
Yep. Now, my friend Jerome here. You started off not thinking there was going to be really much of this keto thing, right?
I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it at all. To the fact of the night before I flew out, I went to my favorite friend called the Golden Arches
Yeah.
and had double cheeseburger, french fries, and a nice ice cold Sprite.
Okay. Well,
So then I got here and I saw how the food was being prepared. I was like, okay, we'll give it a try.
Maria does a good job with it.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
If you're going to start off your keto journey,
Phenomenal.
definitely start off your keto journey being cooked for by Maria.
Right.
If you can pull it off. Although, if Ken's going to hang out around. Ken, come on, pop your head in.
Pop your head in. We know you
Come on
want.
around.
We know you want some camera time.
What do y'all do? We're recording it. Well, what's going to be a schedule? You're blocking my light.
Look at that.
Look
What
at
is
my,
that?
look at my lasagna.
Maria prepared that.
Yeah.
So
No lasagna for you.
That's right. Get your head back here, dude.
Okay.
the first night
Okay.
food was amazing. Second night food was amazing. So that was Monday night. I took my meds or whatever, and then Keto Mojo gave us meters. So that was Tuesday. Tuesday I tested my blood glucose, and it was think 147 or something like that with the meds.
Wow.
And I had already went into ketosis
Pretty
because
quickly.
Yeah.
it was like 0.7.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, well, wait a minute. Something not right. So
You're just a
then
rock star. What can you say?
I tested again after I ate, and it was like 103 or 121, something like that,
After you.
after I ate.
Yeah.
Just an
And-
hour. Too. Just an hour.
My ketones was 0.8. So that means it went up.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, you know what? You gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding.
This is real.
So I want to say the next night, it was a restaurant that's in San Jose. And she came. She told us about her experience with diabetes, and she actually has a restaurant that caters to people on a ketogenic
Are
lifestyle.
you serious?
Yes.
Yep.
We
Yeah, you
missed that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that was
you
the
missed
burgers.
that.
Oh my gosh.
No, she had everything.
Yeah,
When I tell
chicken
you,
lasagna. And
oh
burgers.
yes.
Oye, ¿puede prender esa luz?
Yeah, she had everything. But she has like
No, la luz. Yes.
50 different items on her menu.
And she brought them all?
No, she didn't bring them
Oh,
all,
okay.
but she bought a majority of them.
Oh, and she brought dessert.
And she bought dessert.
Cheesecake.
Right. So I'm like, okay. Now this is I can do.
That you can do.
I can do this. I'm a true believer because my numbers have still stayed like really, really well. Really, really well. Now, I was talking to Dr. King this morning, and this morning when I woke up, my A1C, my glucose number was a little high, but I waited an hour or so to check it again. When I checked it again, it had went down to 123.
Your glucose has. Wow.
It was 186 when I woke up, but it went down to 123 within an hour or so. And my ketones was still at 1.0.
Wow. That's fantastic. Ken, what do you think of all this?
Well, I've had the most brilliant time this week working with these great people, and you too, Chris.
Oh. Hey. Thanks.
I'm his favorite.
And I've been doing this for years, but to work this closely and to live with my patients,
Yeah.
and for minute by minute, hey, let's check your blood sugar, let's check your ketones, let's check your blood pressure. What do you and to see what you're eating, and to see you eating into your stuff, and pushing away, going, oh, I can't
I'm
see it, I'm done.
That's right.
Oh, you want? We still have enough. Come on, the more the merrier. Get up here.
Nobody's starving. Nobody calorie counting. Have you counted the calories since you've been here?
What are calories?
Good answer. That's the way you're supposed to do it. Hey, Janet.
Hey, how are you? This is Janet.
This is Jen.
But I've just had the best time ever.
Oh,
Like, I
yeah.
could do this for a living.
I don't know if you would make enough money to do it this way.
I'd be happy
People would
to.
have to pay you a lot.
I'll be happy though. Yeah.
This is pretty fun.
Jenny,
It's
you
a
want
lot
to
of
tell
fun,
us
huh?
about your experience?
Yeah, reverse.
Yeah, tell us.
Well, I learned so much. I'm ready. I feel like my toolbox is loaded, and I have all the right tools to make the changes that need to be made to reverse the diabetes, and that includes, your Keto Chow.
Okay.
That includes, you saying, I quoted you earlier saying, when in doubt, eat meat.
That's it. When in doubt, eat your meat.
It's true.
That's it. You never go wrong.
And we got these cool
Hey,
finger bottoms.
there you go.
Yeah.
Those are really handy. I brought those out yesterday. I'm like, we need something to drink.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, I need to find mine. Thanks, guys.
Okay.
See you
Hey,
guys.
thanks for stopping
All
by,
right.
Dr. B. Okay.
Everybody's having dinner, so we should probably do it.
Okay. Well, anyway, we just wanted to record this so we could put it up. Tell people how it's going. Introduce you to our new friends.
Yeah.
And I look forward, I've been struggling with weight for a really long time.
Yeah.
I look forward to, making that change and seeing some really positive results.
Okay. Do you do Facebook?
Yes.
You should join the Keto Chow Facebook support group.
I sure will.
It's super fun.
Okay.
And for that matter, well, all of you should check out the Two Crazy Ketos as well.
Okay.
Got it.
There's
Two crazy ketos.
Two
Is that
Crazy
both
Ketos.
of you?
No, that's some of our,
Sorry.
that's some of our friends from Florida.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, they're super fun.
Well, it was really nice to meet you, Chris.
Yeah.
and Miriam.
Yeah,
And it's
thank
been
you guys.
wonderful
Thank you
to
so
us
much.
and really helping us and supporting us. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
What do you want, Kels?
Come put your head in here. Over there.
Or back there, or wherever you want to
This
do.
is the star of the show.
There's Kels. How's it going, Kels? She's been telling us when to shut up, when to talk, when to do. She's one of the producers, and she does a lot of filming too, right?
Yeah.
She's amazing. I want to take her home with me.
She's well, I'll call you B-roll Kels. Okay. Well, thanks everybody for joining us, and
Have a great day.
we'll see you on Monday, right?
Be kind to yourself.
Bye.